Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I will show you how to download videos from Pinterest. So let's start. So first here, let's go ahead and open up the Pinterest app. Now first here, let's go ahead and open up the Pinterest app and choose the video to download. Now for example, let's download this one here. So let's tap on the video, tap on the three dots, and here tap on copy link. Now once the link is copied, let's go back here and go to our web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Pinterest. Now in the search bar, type in Pinterest video downloader, and then tap on the first result in here. Now from this website, tap on paste your links here, and then paste the link that we copied from Pinterest. Now after this one, tap on download. Now here it says your video is ready for download. So after that, you can go ahead and tap on download video. Let's close this down. Now tap on the three dots and tap on download. So once your file is downloaded, you can go to your gallery, and here we can see that the video is actually downloaded. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.